Good morning from the most expensive place near my house, the gas station. Well, I guess one of them. So we're headed somewhere again today. Guess you'll just have to wait to find out where, huh? We made it to Typhoon, Texas. Howdy. This is in Katy, Texas. And it's hot and it's sunny. And we're gonna cool off. It smells like chlorine.
It does.
There's some of the slides. We're gonna go find a locker first so we can put all our stuff down and kind of get situated, and I'll show you more. So I wanted to show you where the lockers were, but you walk straight into the park. It's right here by the lazy river and the barbecue place. Bunch of lockers. I think you can rent it for like the big lockers. I want to say it's like $20 a day. Okay, so they have a bar here. That's nice. Got misters going. And I think these are the two big slides. These are like raft, like multiple people. That's interesting. Well, that looks a little terrifying. I think this is more like a kiddie area here. And then you've got the really scary slides over there. The green slide. They're called the Doolin Daltons. And from what I understand, there at the top, you get in one of those little capsules and the floor just falls out from underneath you and you just go. Or it's pretty much a vertical drop. Yeah, I won't be doing that today. I don't know if he will, but I'm not. But yeah, this little pool area for the kids is kind of cute. Okay, so they have cabanas you can rent. You can get those ahead of time and reserve them. But this is, the Lazy T is the their lazy river, I guess, version. And you grab one of those and get in. We'll do that here in a little bit. We'll get the waterproof camera and go in. But yeah, there's a little recreation area, more like a kiddie area, like a splash pad. And then there's some more slides over here. Okay, so these are the Lone Star Racers. And they have these at most parks. But you're competing against your people in your party coming down the slide. You're on a little mat. Those are fun. Probably do that too. Park is really not that busy right now. It just opened at 11 o'clock, so I think we're gonna get a bite to eat first because he's hangry. So I'm liking the lazy river. I'm liking the way it's looking. Looks refreshing. I'm about to get in it. These are little slides for the kids. Little wading pool, I think. Got a pizza place here. We're looking for something to eat. And then you got a little splash pad. Buckaroo, Bio. It's cute. Yeah, it's a pretty big park. I mean, for not a huge chain, I guess, place. So, pretty neat. This is what we got. Funnel cake, just the powdered sugar on it. I saw in the advertisement it was supposed to be like a Texas shape, but clearly this is not a Texas shape. So anyway, so we're gonna eat that underneath the canopy here. Thank God for shade. So we're gonna switch to GoPro because we're fixing to get in the water. That smells good. Oh. Nice.
Yeah, I'm good.
This water feels so good. Your raft's deflated. Mine's good. Nice shady spot. I wish we could stay under here. To race each other. So I can see George all the way up there. He's going to ride this silly ride that drops you like straight down. One of them goes in a little tube that goes that way. I refuse to get on that, so we'll catch him on the way down. It's probably going to be coming down anytime. Is he riding the gray one? Seriously. That's what you get for... So these shoes are like super ugly. I mean, they're water shoes. You can't survive out here on a 100-degree heat day, sun on the pavement. It will burn your feet. So get you some good flip-flops or some water shoes. You can wear the water shoes in the pools, just not on the rides. We're gonna check out the shop. Got some cute shirts. Slide vibes. Back in the lazy river. Being lazy. This shade is nice. Let's just stay in the shade. I just want to preface all this by saying this cup, I got it last year at SeaWorld. I went to their Christmas celebration thing and I saw this cup while I was in the park, and just by the look of it, just looking at it, it made me thirsty. See, like, it's all blue and you can see the liquid in here, and then the waves and Shamu. It made me thirsty, so I bought it. And I have been using this thing at my house ever since. Just the look of it is refreshing to me. I don't know what it is, but good job, SeaWorld. I still use this thing. Okay, so obviously we're back at home, and I wanted to end the video and just tell you that I kind of shut the video down because at one point we just got so hot and so tired. We were like, okay, we're just done. We did a lot today. We did like 5 of the slides, and went to the wave pool and the lazy river. Let me tell you, this was my first time at TYPHOON Texas Waterpark, and so just my opinion on it, I didn't know it existed until I just started looking up water parks in the area. And it's a big park, but it's not huge. It's not overwhelming. And they have plenty of slides. They have plenty of things for the little kids to do. And then for teens, I mean, you have the slides and the wave pools, or the wave pool and the lazy river. So, I mean, it's got a little bit of everything. So if you're looking for a decent sized park to go to where you're probably going to spend your whole day or 2 maybe, I would recommend. It was a clean park. They had several lifeguards on duty that were seemingly very attentive. They were blowing their whistle at people that were doing things that they weren't supposed to do. So, and they were helpful. I had to stop and ask a couple of questions to some of the lifeguards there because it was my first time and I didn't know what some of their policies were. Like when I use my GoPro on the slides, you can, as long as it's attached to you. So it was a pleasant day. It was just hot. When we got back in the car, it was 106 degrees. That's what the car told us anyway. So we were just really, really hot and tired. But we had a really good day, and glad I got to share it with you. So if you have any questions about it, let me know. I'll try to answer. Otherwise, check it out. They do have season passes. They have day passes. Get your day passes online. It will save you some money. And go out there and have a good time. If it's hot, if it's not, whatever, I don't know. The best place to be when it's really hot is a water park, honestly. But even still, it was so hot that all the water in the world wouldn't have mattered. So anyway, but we had a great time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time. I hope you enjoy.